Right here we have a Ferrari. Right back there we have a Corvette. We have an Escalade convertible. And up there some four-wheelers. All of these are for sale. All of these we're going to sell and make a profit on. When I started this, I was a kid, like middle school. I was doing it with bicycles and I was doing it with four-wheelers and dirt bikes, buying things, fixing them, cleaning them, selling them. My son is now in middle school as well, and he can't do this stuff. He's into bicycles, he's into four-wheelers, he's into dirt bikes, and he's especially into sneakers, just like I was when I was his age. Now he's into buying them, cleaning them, and selling all that stuff for profit, and I encourage that. And my son Logan and I have created our own channel titled Pistons and Pedals, where we get to do things together. I get to teach him everything I know, and he gets to work on the stuff he's interested in, the dirt bikes, the four-wheelers, the sneakers. It's called Pistons and Pedals, and in today's video, we're going to Got Soul, a sneaker convention, where he's gonna try to make money flipping his sneakers and selling and buying more sneakers in the show. And you guys are gonna come along with us. It's not just about me anymore. It's about me and my son's endeavors on Pistons and Pedals. And if you like what you're watching today, there's a link down below for our other channel, Pistons and Pedals. Please, we're trying to grow the channel for him and for us to have some father and son fun along the way. There's a link in the description down below. If you like this video, you can subscribe to that channel as well. Help us grow it for him. My name is Craig from Flying Wheels. Let's flip some sneakers. Let me see that hat real quick. Oh, that's a good looking hat. Same as my shirt. You should go buy one of those hats in the merch store. Apparently, the orange box is what, Brady?
Louis Vuitton Air Force Ones.
Louis Vuitton Air Force Ones. How much?
$70,000.
Wow. Logan, show me your wrist. Cheap. What else do you have? $100 bucks? Oh, 50?
Bunch of I have yeezy 700s. These are cooked. These are cooked, bro. I'll do like 80.
You said 80 on these.
I wouldn't mind.
Too worn?
Yeah.
Yep.
These are GS though. How much would it be? I would probably purchase that, but there's just Yeezys.
I'll take this.
41.
Thanks.
UNC Chicago women's. What are those? Those are Zions. Well, these are they're cooked. They're beautiful.
Thanks.
These are.
Logan, show me these real quick. These look brand new, are they?
They're worn like 3 times.
And GS means grade school?
No, these aren't GS.
These aren't GS.
These are women's.
Women's?
These are
How'd you get these?
I traded them for my friends.
What'd you trade for them?
A pair of dunks that were only like $110.
Oh, nice.
These are 180.
These are 180? Out of all your shoes, these are the most expensive?
No, not these are. These are.
Those are. But these in your collection to sell. Why are these like brand new?
I don't know. I got it for retail.
You bought them for retail?
No problem.
You win anything or no?
No.
I got too caught up in watching. I know. He just got 2 shots in a row.
Those fit 9. Get the 9 slides. Can I get these?
Yeah. The picture.
You don't want the taxis, man?
It's awesome. Great start to the day.
And the thing is, I've been wanting.
Did everybody go?
Wait.
Everybody shot?
Can I give you this one? Oh, I keep this one.
Yeah, just keep it here.
Who do I give my shot to get a shot?
You need that.
These are 10 each, and these are 20.
You buy 2 or just sell?
I'm just selling right
Just
now.
selling.
Yeah.
I didn't know if they're real Air Mags or not. I have no idea. Are you guys buying 2 or just selling? Just selling. See if you'll do a trade. I wouldn't trade down unless you get cash back.
Would you be able to add cash on top?
I think you're at 70. That'd be not bad.
90?
70.
I'm probably gonna hold on.
Alright.
Thank you.
Yeah, hope you get what you want.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
I didn't know they're real.
You don't, you just assume.
You just assume they're real? These kids are buying if you want to talk to them.
And then I have Yeezy 50 Zions. I was bench trying to sell shoes. That guy, he was gonna sell it.
Well, that kid just cashed out over here. He sold a bunch of stuff and had a bunch of money, so I asked him if he's buying while the money's in his hands. All right, did you sell your slides? What's going on over here?
Like, so it was over there, and they came over here because this guy like legit checked them or something, and like, yeah.
He's saying they might be fakes?
Yeah.
Reps?
Yeah, they might
You might have won a pair of reps. That's crazy.
Yeah, it's just like the inner font on the inner side tag. It's like, I don't know, it's weird. I don't know.
On the tag?
Yeah, right here. It's like a lighter, it's a lighter color and it looks off. But I'll go get them checked by Culture Kicks.
Cool.
They should figure it out.
Thanks a lot.
Yeah.
They legit? And after all that waiting, they're finally up. Hey, Henry's dad's here, selling. Yeah, Yuki, what's the camera for? What do you guys post on?
We're on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram.
Is it Culture Kicks?
Yeah, sir. Yeah. We're on every social media platform. Culture Kicks.
On these?
No, yeah.
Yep. What about these? What are you looking to get? What do you want? 20 bucks. Fine. Give me 30. I don't have to. I'm gonna have to work my way up to 100.
I'll buy these. What size? I'll buy these.
You buy that?
Yeah.
Go ahead. Used? Yeah. Oh Lord. What were you at on these? You tell me.
What's your number? All right, Logan, you're up.
Hi.
What are these ones?
These are the UNC Chicago Highs.
Why do you say America's Brick? These things are like brand new.
No, I know, no, they don't have resale money.
Oh, there's no resale value?
These just shoes you like grew out of? You want to get rid of them?
I grew out of all 80.
Yeah. You could do 150 for everything.
What would be the breakdown on it?
50, 50, 25 each.
These are only worth 25 bucks?
Yeah.
Bummer.
I have, so you said 50 on these? Could
Yep.
you do like 100 on the shoes maybe?
Could not. So what we do here, we auction off our shoes on Whatnot, on one of our platforms. We've ran stuff like this multiple times. I would never get $100 off of that. After fees, I'm looking at an 11% cut. So we're probably gonna sell them for like hopefully 70 to 80. So like 50 bucks is like pretty fair.
What about these shoes? Like
50 as well, no.
On all of them? All right, thanks anyway,
Again,
guys.
thank you. Spin the block, look around, see if anyone else is offering anything.
75.
Okay, I would take that for sure though.
Thank you.
Have a good one, guys.
All right, we're going to get lunch. Good luck selling those.
Brady, hold on one sec. Logan, hold up.
We'll give it one last ditch effort before we go to lunch. You get some 9.5s.
What size are these?
Logan, do you have any 9.5s?
Wait, could you do trade for these? Or are you just gonna pass?
Alright. I have those in the high version, the 7.5, and then GS for grade school for me, Carlos used twice, and then Zions, and then 7.
Pass on everything. What's the name of your, do you have any channels or anything?
I have Instagram.
J7 Souls. So do you flip sneakers? Cars?
I don't flip cars, but I just fix them and then sell them with a higher price to my dad.
Nice. Oh, that's awesome.
Stock market for shoes.
You scan this on the side, it comes up and tells you what they're worth.
I can do 70 if you want.
Like 75?
We'll get 70.
What do you have there, Brady?
Yeah,
What was retail?
This is like almost 90.
Yeah, thank you anyway.
These are $100,000 Paris Dunk SBs.
Paris Dunk?
Paris.
Is Paris a person or the place?
Place. They used to throw these up on electrical wires, and then all of these almost got Freddy Krueger SB dunks, and they almost got
You
ruined.
know your sneakers.
Because you see that? They doused them in oil, and they were going to light all of them on fire, but someone took them out of the factory and saved all of them, and these are just some pairs.
All right, I just got back from lunch and I hear Logan's making moves. Here he is over here. What's going on so far?
I want these.
Easy slides? What have you done so far?
I traded 2 of my shoes that are too small for me, that I don't really like, which I'm going to keep.
What size?
These are 8.
What'd you trade for them?
My Jordan 1. So the whole day I've been getting offers for like 60, and then a guy offered me 180 trade value. Yeah, and then I had to pay 20 bucks cash. So 180.
What's retail on those?
Retail's 180, but they're going for 220,
Oh yeah?
and I got them for like 200.
So you traded out of 2 shoes you don't fit into for these in 20 bucks. Nice.
And I sold my Yeezy.
Which ones? The old ones or the good ones?
The really beat ones.
Oh, all right. For how much?
So I wanted 75. He said like 40. I said I'll do it for 55, and then I got 50.
You got it? That seems pretty good for those things that were pretty worn out. Nice. How do you know those are original 85?
You can just tell by the wear. Yeah, look at
The
those.
sides right there. Logan, how much are they asking for these 700s here? Why are those 400 and yours you can't get any money for?
I think those are new, but I'm gonna try to trade for slides like these.
Do you have a pair?
Yeah, but those are easier to sell than these.
Oh. So these guys have some Freddy Krueger's. Funny story. They were going to burn all of those sneakers. Somebody pulled them out of the fire, saved them all. Now they're worth a ton of money. Fun fact. Why do you think nobody wants those?
I don't like these either. I wouldn't want them.
They're just, oh, all right.
How much is those for? You can cash for these?
So that kid gave Ben $100 for his slides. Did you hit 70 on them? Obviously, it's a pair in the box. I have a full pair in the box, and they're cleaned. All right, $50. Let me check them. I'll be right back. Thanks a lot, Logan. How much are these new?
They're like 170.
170? I got it at 50 right now.
I'll do it.
You'll do that? All right, should we walk around more or no?
Say 50.
All right, put them in the box. You'll do 60?
55 or 60.
You hold this. Your shoes are in. We do 60? Yeah, check them out. Aren't they? What size are they? Size 7, sorry.
Yeah, pricing 50.
All right, do you do 55 so I can tell them I negotiated?
I don't think I have 5 cash.
It's $5. Come on.
I only got a 50.
50?
I only got a 50.
You're making me look bad. I'm trying to teach them how to negotiate. Do you have slides here? Slides at like an 8.5? You get an 8 or 9? We do 60 on credit towards slides. I should ask that first, right? We're at 50 cash for these. What do you think?
Could you do 55?
I told you.
That's him. He's the one who wants to trade this line.
Do you have anything that's worth 55?
I was talking about slides.
Oh, I want slides.
Yeah, he has not. What do you have for slides? Thanks for the help.
I need a 9.
A 9 in slate gray. All right, you want some free stuff? I'll be right back. Thanks a lot.
Don't put your beaters in here, okay? What's the hat? Here's the hat.
Oh, Logan, you got sniped from a girl not even wearing a hat.
The girl just took it.
She's gonna be on YouTube stealing it right from you.
Put your hat up there.
Right here.
Right here.
85 for slides. You can get 50 for these, so you'd have to come out, what, 35 out of pocket to buy slides.
Yeah, I want to go somewhere.
You want to do that? All right. Do you have extras in 9s just in case?
We also have this one right here. It's the same color.
All right. Why don't you go tell the guy you'll take 50 for those and we'll come back.
No, I have to go sell these
We're gonna
first.
sell these and be right back for a pair.
We are selling them in bulk. That's why we might not be here later. If you guys want to take it,
After here,
definitely
we'll get 'em.
recommend taking it now.
Thanks. We'll be right back. Thanks.
I want to try to buy a used pair of shoes for cheap.
I like these.
Excuse me? Can I, what was his name?
50. I don't know his name.
Could I do the 50 on these for me for?
I might have to give you cash my phone.
Oh, all right. I'd prefer it.
Yeah.
Cool. Thanks a lot.
Appreciate it.
All right. I'll take. Which ones are this color? These little ones?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I'll take these in 10s.
All right,
for
sounds
90.
good. Thank you.
Cool. Thanks a lot. Appreciate it.
Thank you again.
Thank you. So these people back here are the ones selling them. You just bought them in a lot.
Yeah.
How do you know these aren't reps?
So he did bought them all from Adidas, and he'll show me the receipt for every single one.
That's it.
Yeah.
That easy.
It's enough trustworthy. I knew him beforehand as well, so it's trust, reliability, all that. The connections.
Thanks a lot.
Awesome.
Appreciate it. Thank you. So these are $148. I bought them for $90, and honestly, I'm gonna put them on now and see how long it takes for Logan to notice that I'm wearing them.
What color is it?
Honestly, these things are comfortable but ugly. I just spent $90 just to rub it in my socks. That's not fair. Kind of opposite of these hustlers. So everyone's negotiating for $5. The guy didn't have the change, so I told him to keep it. Keep it, whatever. Do good. He's hustling. He's doing a good job. It's $5. Good for him. And I think I got a pretty good deal on some slippers, sandals, slipper sandals. All right, Logan's over there. Let's see how long it takes before you realize I bought myself a pair of the slippers he wanted. I should have bought those big red boots, I guess. $380. You get anything yet?
No.
Ryan's getting pretty antsy to leave.
It doesn't end.
Getting ready to leave. My feet are starting to hurt. I'm walking around. I've been wearing the right shoes all day.
There's Ben's. You didn't get anything? Did you buy anything else? Yeah, I did.
Logan still hasn't found out that I bought the sandals he wanted for myself. I paid $90 for these Yeezy stuff. Let's see how much they are here. How much for your slides here?
For my slides,
What? Yeah, how
Each?
much? Yeah, just
what size?
How much for an 11?
For an 11, 120.
120?
There's a lady selling them for 85.
85? Okay, thanks a lot. Took you long enough to notice. I bought it for myself. It's a good deal. These things are $148 retail.
How much did you get?
$90.
That's not bad.
Not bad.
That's a good
I
price.
thought I did pretty
Yeah,
good.
you did.
So I went back to that lady. She sold them all to another guy, bought them wholesale. So I gave him $90 for them.
Now your feet are comfortable.
They were pretty comfortable.
Is that why you said my feet are starting to hurt?
Yeah, so you'd look down.
You have to buy Yeezy slides. How much will they be?
He's at 180.
They're still for sale down there.
I've made $150 today and got the shoes on.
So what'd you leave with? What's in the box?
Jordan 1 high Palominos.
Those are awesome looking.
And I
you
sold
left you
every
leave with
one of my
$100.
shoes.
Wait, you sold everything and you're leaving with those, and you have cash in your pocket?
$150 more than I came with.
Whoa, that's awesome. How are you doing?
So I had 2 shoes coming in. I think they were estimated around like maybe around 180, 200. I came out with these easy slides and some cash in my pocket.
Oh, that's awesome. Successful day. All right, see y'all later. They'll be up for sale in 3 weeks when they outgrow them.
See y'all later.